Made it. I made it. And we thank God for Jenny Mercies. This place is nice. It looks real nice. Super happy. Let's get into the room tour. So when you come in, door, light switch, coats and storage area. Bathroom. Bath, which I love. This shower head, which I don't love because I'm black and like, anyway. Mirror, and the light is actually quite bright. Like I feel like this would actually be a good makeup mirror. See, I'm seeing all my imperfections, which is a good and bad thing. Bathroom situation, and then there's a little storage area, ironing board. Probably won't be doing that. The bedroom. I mean, who's this for? This is so nice, and we love a full length. We love a full length because a lot of places just don't do that. It's annoying. Ah, oh, it like opens out onto a living room area. I don't think you can actually go through here. I don't think you can. No, but it's just nice to have that borrowed light coming in. Ooh, storage area, which is lovely. And we have laundry, and these look like some big ass like you could do like your whole family's load in here. I'm definitely gonna wash my clothes before I go home because why the heck not? Fridge, oh, fridge, freezer, oven. I mean, I don't cook at home, so I probably won't cook here. So that is the room tour, guys. Let me update my people. And then I think the plan was to go to a museum, but it's closing in like an hour and a half, and I feel like I might just go and get food and then do like some walking around, maybe go to a shopping mall. I hate saying the word mall in a British accent, that sounds stupid. Anyway, let me update my peoples and then figure out what I'm going to do the rest of my day. So it's 4:23 right now, so I just got in. Yeah, we're here. Let's get started on something, heck. Okay, let me show you. Oh, okay, I am about to head out and look for a Presto card and some, like, I think I'm just gonna order dinner, but let me at least get some snacks for the room because she's a snacker. I'm gonna need some snacks, so I'm heading out. It's cold out there. It's getting dark. I don't want to be out like when it's super, super dark, unless I find a shopping mall, in which case. But yeah, let's head out. So honest. It's too cold. I know, like, come to Toronto in the winter, right? Like, it's obviously going to be cold, but like my fingers are hurting right now. They don't even look as pink on camera as they are in person, but like, it's cute. My God. I took an Uber to the supermarket and then I walked back. It was like a 20-minute walk, so that's good. But yeah, I've just got some breakfasty type things. So let me take off my jacket and then I'll do a little haul. My groceries included. So I went to, what was it called? Marcelo's Independent City Market. I feel like, yeah, obviously, I mean, the clue's in the name, see me for not realising, but I feel like it was like a smallish, like it wasn't, I feel like I wanted a Walmart so I could get like some things that I want to get, and I didn't find that, which is fine, like, you know, whatever. I essentially just wanted to get breakfasty type things because, like, for example, tomorrow I need to be where I'm going for, I think it's 12:30. I don't really want to have to worry about like ordering breakfast or like cooking anything crazy, so I just got like frozen, what are these? I'm holding it. That's in English. It must be French. Wow, that's cool. Frozen waffles. I got these. Oh, my family in America buys these, and whenever we go, like they just get like finished. I love these Hawaiian rolls. We don't have these things, like, or maybe we do have them in the UK, I'm just not shopping in the right place. But I got some dried mango as a snack because I love dried mango. It's so good. It's just expensive everywhere you go. Bottled water, of course. I got these like smart sweets. I think they're supposed to be like less sugar. Just an excuse to to eat sweets, to be honest. The yogurts, strawberry, of course. Some fresh strawberries. I always love how red, like American, and now I'm gonna say North American or Canadian, like fruit is. Like, look at that. I mean, I think it said product of the USA. Product of USA. Like, it just, yeah. I just know it's gonna be good. Some maple syrup. So that's what my haul looks like. And then I bought a Presto card, which is like their like version of like an Oyster card, and I put like $35 on it. So hopefully that will be enough or nearly enough. Yeah. This is quite funny because I'm having culture shocks about things that should be obvious, like Just Eat and Uber Eats are not. Oh, sorry, Uber Eats is a thing. Just Eat, delivery is not a thing here. It's DoorDash and Uber Eats. So I'm hungry. Oh, barbecue pork. I already know that's what I want. I know I want chicken. I don't think I want grilled chicken or sweet and sour. I think spicy chicken, barbecue pork. And they're at the top, and it's not in alphabetical order. So that tells me that it's the best. And then I think it would be rude to not get spring rolls. So obviously we're going to do that. Perfect. So it's... Mate, this is a fail. Basically, in order to make an order, you have to have an account. And to have an account, you have to have a Canadian or American phone number. And I have an eSIM. How am I supposed to eat? He's probably sleeping because it's like 12. I'm hungry. I don't want to sound like a spoilt brat, but I ordered this food at 7:11 p.m. and it's 8:10 p.m. and the guy is just like, why aren't you moving on the map? Like, I'm hungry.
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me.
Or like having dessert for your breakfast or as part of your breakfast in bed. It's about as indulgent as it gets over here. Just had some waffles and I'm just having a little bit of yogurt. It's 6:10 in the UK. I think it's 11:10 a.m. So UK time, I'm like wide awake. I'm just gonna chill, have some breakfast. This bed is very comfortable. The pillows are great. The pillows make me think I need to buy better pillows for myself. Right, kids. Oh, I can't lie. After yesterday, I'm a bit scared of the cold. But yeah, I'm excited. Today is Tufting. Oh, which I'm so excited for. Tufting. And then I'm just going to go to the Eaton Centre to do some shopping. This is my outfit. Not that you can see it under my massive coat anyway.
No, this is good.
How much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
Yeah, oh my god, they're gonna do it for me every time. It's just always a good time with Chick-fil-A, like you always just know. We don't have to live the life of Morley's fries and McDonald's that you don't know if it's gonna be good or not. I can taste it on my tongue and it's not even dissolving, it's just sitting there the way I like it. I want to find some good stuff, but I'm tired. Not to be dramatic, but it feels like I've burned every calorie in the world. And I only have like one bag to show for it, but that's okay. I think quality purchases over quantity. Now I need to go home and get some water to drink, and then I think I might have a bath. Another day done. It's 10:01. I am tired. Wow, but it was such a good day. As you guys would have seen, I made a rug. Might I say, she's the finest rug I've ever seen. Sorry to all the other rugs. I just can't do it like her. And then I went to the Eaton Centre for some shopping. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I feel like I'm a bit too used to shopping online, and by online I mean basically on ASOS, because that's where I buy like 90% of my clothes. But like when I was walking through the shops, like it's like I was seeing things, but then I was like, okay, but how does this look like on a person? Like I'm just so used to seeing it modeled for me and being like, there's absolutely no way that that would look nice on me. Or like, you know, the opposite, like, okay, yeah, she's got my body type, or like this usually, like, I don't know, it's just like seeing stuff on a hanger is just like a bit foreign, and that sounds quite scary, but it kind of makes sense. Like I did all my Christmas shopping online and shopping on ASOS for how long now? Like pretty much solely. Like I don't really shop for stuff in person. Like that mall or shopping centre was just so big. Like it was so big, and I don't even know if I've done it justice. I kind of don't think I have, but like, yeah, it was just a lot, which is not a bad thing. Like it's a good thing. I think because the rug tufting took longer than I thought it would. Like I think I started at 12:30. My session started at 12:30, and I was there till like 5, and I thought it was gonna be a 3-hour thing. Do you get what I mean? So, bit longer than expected, just a bit. I got Chick-fil-A though. Oh, there's actually nothing better than Chick-fil-A. It needs to be in the UK. Forget Popeyes, sorry. Forget Popeyes, why have we got Wendy's? Do we have Wendy's? I think we do. Why have we got Wendy's? Why have we got Taco Bell? Why have we got Taco Bell? Like, I don't want a Taco Bell, I want a Chick-fil-A. The honey mustard sauce, the waffle fries, the chickens, like it's just I'm supposed to like branch out and get like stuff I haven't had before, but I can't lie, after yesterday's Chinese I just wasn't really feeling to do that, so we'll try to do that again tomorrow. I'm gonna try and start off my day a little bit earlier, I think. Tonight on the cards is literally a bath. Like I'm exhausted, my feet hurt. I don't even know how many steps I've done, but I feel like it's a million. Yeah, but it's been a really good day. Happy with how I spent the day. Yeah, day 2 I guess.